Not just about knowing, it's about acting, protecting, and inspiring others to do the same. So stay tuned till the end, because today one vibe can help save lives, maybe even yours. Mentions presently there is no specific vacancy available for dengue fever. Therefore, the only choice left is to control the vector involved in the transmission of dengue virus. Control of mosquito also help to control other disease like malaria and yellow fever. Protect people from mosquito bite. Used bed nets. Bed nets should be used to protect the people from mosquito bite. Aedes mosquito mostly bite during the day and anopheles at night. Bed nets are more effective when they are treated with an insecticide or insect repellent. Use mosquito repellent. Mosquito repellent in the form of the body lotion may help avoid mosquito bite. Aerosol insecticide, vaporizing mats and mosquito coils should be used in rooms. Curtains may also be sprayed with mosquito repellents. Wear a proper dress. Minimize area of exposed skin by wearing full sleeve shirt and long pants. Wearing socks and closed shoes further reduce the risk. Mosquito repellent can also be applied to cloth for further protection. Avoid wearing dark and tight clothes because mosquito attack more on dark color and can easily bite through tight cloth. Screening house, office, etc. Screening of window and door with fine wire net bans entry of mosquitoes. Dengue patients should always be kept in screened room to avoid viral spread from the patient. Daily activities. People should reschedule the pattern of daily activities of life. We should avoid going outside during the peak hours of mosquito activity. Moreover, we should avoiding visiting area of epidemics. Vaccination are weak or killed when introduced in the body induce immunity against the health germ. Dengue vaccine is not just yet available. Vaccine for all 4 dengue serotype is still awaited. Vector control, destruction of breeding sites. Aedes breed mainly in stagnant clean water bodies such as earthenware jars and domestic water storage tanks, but discarded plastic food containers, toys, old tires, tree hulls and leaf textile that can collect rainwater. Gutters and drain are also potential breeding sites. Following measures should be taken to destroy these breeding sites. Cover any water container. Remove any bottle, plastic bag, pot, old pen, tin and old tire. Remove any water standing in lawn, flower beds and pots. Change water in vase, bowls, flower pots and plates on alternate days. Clothe and dry all swimming pools and fountains during breeding season of mosquito. Drain out or regularly change water from cooler. Also drain out water coming out from air conditioner. Waste item and garbage which may become mosquito breeding sites. Cover all manholes. Water from pots for birds and animals should be replaced daily. Cover water tank on roof. Repair all taps and pipes from where water is leaking out. Drain water after washing motorcycle and car, etc. Change water regularly in finished aquarium. Drain any stagnant rainwater. Fill these sites with sand and soil. Remove trash from toilet and gully trap every day. Turn over all water storage buckets and small tubes. Clear any blockage in roof drain pipes regularly. Remove water from leaf axils and tree holes or add some insecticides. Control at adult stage. Chemical control. Adult mosquito can be killed by the use of insecticide. Insecticide should be used carefully. Avoid any direct inhalation of spray or smoke. Insecticide should be sprayed inside buildings, particularly on wall, behind the curtain, under the bed and sofa. Doors should be closed for some time after the spray. Fogging should be used to kill the mosquito in open places. Unwise use of insecticide may cause health hazards and may produce resistant strains of mosquito. Use of electric mosquito killer. Different type of electric mosquito killer are used. These include electric vaporizer, electric mosquito trap, electric mosquito catcher, mosquito mat, etc. Biological control. Biological control should be adopted to avoid the harmful effect of chemicals. In biological control, living organisms are used to kill mosquito. Spiders, lizard and dragonfly are the natural predator of mosquito. Introduction of these organisms can markedly reduce the number of mosquito. Horticulture discipline regularly cut the grass and weeds where mosquito may hurt. Control and larval stage. Chemical control. Application of larvicidal chemicals to the breeding sites reduce the mosquito population. Spray of kerosene oil on water block the air tube of mosquito larvae and kills them, but these chemicals also destroy useful animals and plants' life in water bodies. Biological control. Living organism can be used to destroy the mosquito larvae. Many fishes and copepods predate upon mosquito larvae. A bacterium produces toxin which kill mosquito larvae. It can also use for biological control. Control at extent. Destroy the egg by using ovi trap. Ovi trap are black plastic water container with paddles. They are in contact with the surface of water. These ovi trap attract the female mosquito to the lay egg. In these ovi trap, either the female is trapped or egg are killed by chemical mixed with the water in ovi trap. Ovi trap should be used with care. Integrated disease management. General public awareness for civic sense. A public awareness campaign for general cleanliness should be launched. The message for public awareness can be communicated by mass media, educational institute. Mass media include radio. The scope of research is to develop effective method of vector control and ideal antiviral drug and development of vaccine for all serotypes of dengue virus, which is safe and effective, affordable. Government response. Government of the Punjab has made tremendous effort to control this epidemic. Special dengue wards are established in hospitals that are equipped with latest mega cell separator for platelet separation. CBC diagnostic camps are set up at the different places in the city of diagnosis of dengue free of cost. Experts from Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Thailand are requested to train special team of doctor and paramedical staff to help combat this disease. Fogging machines and insecticides are conducted through poster and public hygienic and sanitation. Regular feedback of all effort to control dengue virus are being presented to Chief Minister on daily basis by the grace of Allah, of Almighty Allah. Out of about 7.4 million population of Lahore, only 365 deaths are reported till November 2011. These included death from not just complication of dengue but also comorbidity, blood pressure, diabetes, etc. and other infection in dengue patient. गाइस अपने यूट्यूब चैनल के इंट्रो करते हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करते हैं सब कैसे होंगे जी। बस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जितनी मेरी वीडियोस होती हैं इन्फॉर्मेटिव होती हैं। आज जो मैंने आपके साथ बात शेयर की डेंगू वायरस से रिलेटेड जो है ना वो शेयर की कि किस तरह से जो है ना ये अगर आप अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो, अगर आपको डेंगू वायरस से रिलेटेड नोट्स चाहिए तो आप तब भी मेरी वीडियो जो है ना वॉच कर सकते हो। और यहाँ से काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो है ना अगर आपको नोट्स चाहिए तो आप इस वीडियो से जो है ना कर सकते हो। अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं ये सारा जो भी आपको प्लेलिस्ट पे नज़र आई ये जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की डेंगू वायरस से रिलेटेड प्रिवेंशन और किस तरह से इसकी प्रोटेक्शन और किस तरह से इसके स्टेजेस होते हैं, اس کی کس طرح سے روک تھام ہے, کس طرح سے کنٹرول کرنا ہے سوشل میڈیا پہ بھی, اور کس طرح سے وہ سارا کچھ میں نے آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کیا. اگر آپ کہتے ہو کہ بھائی یہ سارا کچھ جو ہے نا میں اردو میں آپ کے سامنے پریزنٹیشن اس کی دوں, تو وہ مجھے آپ کمنٹ سیکشن بتائیے گا, تاکہ مجھے موٹیویشن ملے اور میں آپ جو ہے نا نیکسٹ ٹائم اس کو اردو میں ٹرانسلیٹ کروں. اور امید کرتی ہوں جس طرح سے میں نے اپنی ایفرٹس دی آپ کو سمجھ آ گئی ہوگا. اگر نہیں سمجھ آئی مجھے کمنٹ سیکشن بتائیے گا, پھر میں اس کو اردو میں ٹرانسلیٹ کروں گی. ویسے ہم لوگ پڑھتے آ رہے ہیں ڈینگی وائرس کیا ہے کیا نہیں, تو اس سے ریلیٹڈ ہمیں ساری انفارمیشن ہونی چاہیے. اور